So I've had the opportunity to use the Primescan 2 in my practice for the last few months, and I can't tell you how nice it is, for one, to be a wireless scanner. It's so convenient. We're able to take it from operatory to operatory, makes it easier to use, and when something's easy to use, the whole team gets around it. My hygienist is scanning, my assistants are scanning. It's really become a production producer. We use it for surgical guides, for night guards, full arch scans, not just your single unit crowns, which of course it does well as well, but to have it all uploaded to the cloud, giving me access from anywhere that has an internet connection, has made me able to connect to my team and to my patients. I'm telling you, it's a game changer.